After removing the system unit cover, this is what you're going to see inside. It contains essential hardware like the motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage, power supply, and often graphics, sound cards, also housed in a protective case, working together to run programs and manage data. Before starting, make sure the computer is powered off and unplugged. First, remove all the wiring connected to the system unit, including the power cable and data cables. Next, carefully detach the power supply by unplugging its connectors and unscrewing it from the case. After that, remove the DVD-RAM drive by disconnecting its cables and sliding it out of its bay. Finally, disconnect the hard disk cables, unscrew the hard disk, and gently take it out. At this point, the basic components have been safely removed and the system unit is ready for further disassembly. This is the power supply unit. It converts electrical power from the outlet into usable voltage for the computer's components. It distributes the correct amount of power to the motherboard, hard disk, DVD-RAM, and other internal parts, ensuring the system operates safely and efficiently. This is the DVD-RAM drive. It is used to read data from DVDs and CDs. It allows the computer to access software, movies, music, and other files stored on optical disc, but it cannot write or record data. This is the hard disk drive. It is the main storage device of the computer. It stores the operating system, software applications, and user files, allowing data to be saved and accessed even when the computer is turned off. Before starting, make sure all components are ready and the system unit case is open. First, install the hard disk by placing it into its bay, securing it with screws, and connecting the data and power cables. Next, slide the DVD-RAM drive into its bay, screw it in place, and attach the necessary cables. After that, install the power supply into the case, fasten it with screws, and connect its power connectors to the components. Finally, reconnect all the wiring properly, ensuring each cable is securely attached. Once everything is connected, close the case and the system unit is ready for use. Installing operating system.